Um, good afternoon. Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon.
Linda.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam. Good. So today, in our today's lesson, we are going to learn about vegetables, introduction to vegetables. We are also going to see why vegetables are very important in our day-to-day health. We are also going to learn about the classifications of vegetables. So before we start, I want to know if we are all in. Marceline, are you there? Marceline, are you present?
Yes,
Okay, Hilda.
I'm here.
Oh, good. Now, as you see the way I have projected my screen, there are some sort of vegetables that I've displayed on your screens. Are you able to see my screen? If you are able to see it, let me know what you can see. What are there? Hilda, what can you see?
I can see onions,
Yes.
dania,
Yes. Marceline, what can you see?
capsicum. Can see capsicum and onion.
Good. So we are together on the same page. Now, as you've said, you can see onion, you can see tomatoes, you can see capsicum. All those are vegetables. And what is a vegetable? A vegetable, it is an edible part of a plant. You know, all parts of herbaceous plants eaten as food by human beings, either whole or in parts, are called vegetables. Now, why vegetables? Why have we chosen vegetables in our diet? Vegetables are very important in our diet because of its nutritional value. First, they give us the vitamins and minerals. They also give us fibers. They are antioxidants. They have carbohydrates and they also have proteins. Now, vegetables are classified into some groups, and as we are seeing there is the vegetable classification and its description. First, we have the root vegetables. These are vegetables that grow underground and are eaten in their starchy roots. We'll come and see the examples and what they do in our bodies. The second one is stem vegetables. Stem vegetables are eaten from their stems. There is also tubers. These are underground stems that are eaten from for their starchy storage organs. Example, we still come and see the examples down there. There is also flowery vegetables. These are vegetables eaten for their unripe flowers or flower buds. Now, there is leafy greens as one of the vegetable classification. Now, a leaf, this is a part of a plant that makes food by photosynthesis. Leafy greens, they are low in calories and high in vitamin A and C and also K. Let me have one of you to tell us one of the example of leafy vegetable. Are
One
you?
of the examples we have
Yes.
are spinach,
Yes.
kales,
Yes.
and lettuce.
That is correct. There is also another classification of root vegetables. A root, we have first to know what a root is. A root, it is a part of a plant that is growing down into the soil to support the plant and take up water and nutrients. There are some root vegetables that are very high in fibers, potassium, and vitamin C. And some of the examples include carrots, beetroot. There are also sweet potatoes. There are yams. What else? What are some of the other examples of root vegetable that you know? Okay, leave that to you as an assignment. There are so many. When we'll meet in our next class, you'll give me the examples that you've gotten. Another one is flower head, is another classification of vegetables. They are also known as the cruciferous vegetables. They are very high in fibers, vitamin C and K, and folate. For example, we have the broccolis, we have the cauliflowers, and the Brussels sprouts. Another classification is tuber. A tuber, it is a type of underground storage organ that is found on some plants. They are typically starchy and eaten as vegetables. Some of the examples of tubers include potatoes, they include yams, they also include sweet potatoes, and they also include yams. So, as I've told you, for root vegetables, we also have sweet potatoes, and for tubers, we also have sweet potatoes. I leave you as an assignment. You go and check and do more research why sweet potatoes fall under root vegetables and tubers. So we've come to the end of our lesson. Anybody with a question? And before we end up the class, let me hear from maybe two of you what we've learned today. Anybody? Julia?
I've learned the different types of root vegetable, like the sweet potato. Yes.
Good, Julia. Another person?
I've learned on the importance of vegetables in the body.
Yes.
They give us some nutrients like vitamins.
Yes.
Yeah.
They give us vitamins, they give us starch in our body, they give us proteins, they also give us strength that we need in our day-to-day to partake of our day-to-day life. So I want to give you an assignment. You go and explain the factors that are considered when choosing vegetables that are to be used in our kitchens. Up to that point, have a good day and thank you for attending my class. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good day too. Thank you.